and I welcome you all in Educative RKIS. Today we will discuss about the basic structural and functional unit of life that is called as the cell. As we know, every organism, either it is unicellular or multicellular, is made up of cell. Like a house, the organism is made up of different units, and these units are called as the cells. So, in this lecture, we will study about the cell. First of all, what is cell? Cell is basically a aqueous compartment that is surrounded by a cell membrane. Cell is basically aqueous compartment. What is inside the cell? That is aqueous. Aqueous compartment is there, and that aqueous compartment is surrounded by cell membrane, and that structure is known as the cell. As we know, every organism is made up of cell. That's why cell is also known as structural and functional unit of life, that is known as structural and functional unit of life. The next topic is that what is cytology? Cytology is basically study of cell. The word cytology is made up of two Greek words. The first one is cyte, and the second word is the logi or the logos. The meaning of cyte is simply you can say cell, and logos means simply you can say study. So we can say that study of cell is known as cytology, and we can also define it as cell structure, function, and cell composition study is also known as cytology. The term cytology was introduced by a scientist known as Hartwig. That is introduced by Hartwig. Now move to the next topic, that is about history of the discovery of a cell. The person shown here is Robert Hooke, who discovered the first cell, and that cell was discovered in 1664. The cell that was discovered by Robert Hooke was a dead cell because he discovered the first cell in oak tree bark, and as we know, bark is the dead material, and the actual structure that was discovered by Robert Hooke was cellular, and the term cellular for cell was also given by Robert Hooke, which means small compartment. The word cellular means small compartment. As we know, like the honeycomb structure. In honeycomb, the different compartments are shown, and these different compartments are basically, you can say, like the cell. The next topic is who discovered the first living cell. The picture shown here is of Antony van Leeuwenhoek, and he discovered the first living cell in 1674. He was a Dutch scientist. He collected some water from the pond and just saw that pond into the self-designed microscope, and he saw the simple structure like amoeba, bacteria, and some aquatic microorganism. So that is all about the discovery of cell, what is cell, and what is cytology. In the next lecture, we will continue our you can say topic that is about cell. So thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.